Hi, this is Kathleen from Sunny Mountain Patterns. Here is a quick and dirty way to add in seam allowance. Now this is not technically kosher, the accepted way of doing it, but if you're just doing patterns for yourself, this actually works, I believe, fairly well. So we're going to click on the piece that we want to add the seam allowance to. Let's say we're going to use 1/2 inch seam allowance. We're going to go to stroke, and for the width, I'm going to change it to 0.5 and then type in inches. If you use millimeters, type in millimeters, enter. It'll change the thickness. Now notice the line is in the middle. I want the line to be on the inside. So I want to align the stroke to the outside of the line. So you'll notice that if I press A, all the pieces for my drafting is here. So that means the outside of this stroke is my seam allowance. I also don't care for these curves, so I'm going to go ahead and change this to either the miter joint or this bevel joint. Bevel joint seems to work fairly well. Might be a little funny right here, so it's not exactly perfect all the time because you can see there's a little funkiness going on right here. And that's just because this curve is really deep, which typically for neck lines it wouldn't, and that's a drafting mistake on my part. There. That was a drafting mistake. I did this very quickly. As you can see, the armhole is quite messed up. 0.5 inches. And then I want the miter joint, and then I have it on the inside, which I want to double check. Another lesson, if you don't have a closed curve like I did, where I'm going to undo that, you can see how these points end here and here. And this bottom piece, as problem solving, is not part of the top piece, so when I move them, they are separated. I don't want that. So what I would do is go ahead and close the curve, which would be, I have to press A again to get the right options, and then close curve. And now you can see how the line with the dots or our anchor points are inside the line. So that's another problem solving tip, because I had problems with this before. So I hope this helps you for a quick and dirty way, or quick and easy way of getting your seam lines. So far it's been pretty effective. Of course, this is not the official way of doing it if you're drafting actually for a commercial pattern, but just for yourself, quick and easy way of doing it. Hope that helps. Thanks.